What is up guys, back again with yet another one, and we are back with a follow-up video of the Lucid Air. Now first of all, as you can tell, the setup is a little bit different. Hopefully the quality of the video that you're seeing now is better than other videos that I've had to use natural light to make. Either way, getting back to the point, we're here to follow up on the video that I made of the Lucid Air not too long ago now. So I did speak about this in the previous video, however I did want to touch on it a little bit more because, especially as a 6'6" guy, I'm sure there are a lot of people who are as tall as I am who are curious about this Lucid Air and how they would fit into it. But first of all, if you guys are new here, like the video, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be up to date on when I have videos coming out. And without further ado, let's start up the video. So as some of you may know, of course, I'm 6'6", so especially when it comes to driving sports cars or just cars in general, I have a pretty hard time fitting in them. If you're any shorter than me, then this is probably the barometer that you can use to make sure that you would fit into a Lucid Air as well. So when I got into the front seat, there were a lot of parts that were adjustable to make the drive significantly more comfortable for somebody who was as tall as I am. So naturally, this car has electric seats, so the seats are able to slide all the way back and also down, so you can sort of ride lower in the vehicle. Additionally, you can adjust the steering wheel whether you need it to telescope further outwards towards you, further inwards, up, down, left, right, accordingly. And of course, naturally, you can adjust the mirrors as needed according to what the best seating position is for you. So when I was driving this car, sitting in the front seat was pretty comfortable. There were really no major issues. My knees weren't hitting the dashboard, the bottom of the dashboard. I wasn't having an issue where the pedal was too far away or too close to me. Everything was fairly comfortable in the drive. They essentially took a lot of their styling ideas from Mercedes-Benz. Of course, we know Mercedes-Benz has been on the market forever now. And so going off of Mercedes-Benz, one of the more luxurious vehicles on the market, it's safe to say that that's a good barometer to design your car off of. So you can see here that they use the E-Class as far as the length of the exterior of the vehicle. They use the S-Class for the interior, so you're essentially able to maximize space in both the front seats and the rear seats. And of course, naturally, they use the CLS, which is one of the more sleeker looking Mercedes-Benz when it comes to the overall external styling of the vehicle. However, now we're going to move into the back seat because this is where things get interesting. Now, of course, you want to know, do people 6'6" actually fit into the back seat of a vehicle like this? And the answer is surprisingly yes. And funnily enough, not only do you fit in the back seat, but when I sat in the front seat in the driver's seat of this vehicle and went into the back seat, there was no need for the front seat to have to be moved forward because of my knees essentially being in my chest. And that's probably one of the biggest features that I found, and generally something that I look for when I buy cars or when I drive cars. Because comfort, for me, especially if you're driving long distance, is absolutely key. Now, you will be paying a pretty hefty price for that because you'll be paying upward of $100,000. Now, depending on the specific model you're getting of this Lucid Air, the price might vary. So let me know what you guys think about this vehicle. First of all, what's your height? How tall are you? Have you been curious about buying this car but you wanted to figure out whether you would actually fit into it appropriately? Because for me, as a 6'6" guy, the answer is a resounding yes. However, let me know in the comments below either way. That's that for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.